friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we're going to be learning how to draw DJ Pompompurin. So first we're going to get started with the eyes, and on the top left, moving over from the center, we're going to draw in an oval. We're going to leave quite a big gap moving across on the right hand side, and we're just going to draw that at the same size. Now let's move in towards the top of our eye, and we're going to draw in a nice big oval for the highlight. And then we're going to do the same thing on the right. Now from here, let's color in the eyes black. Let's move directly in towards the center now. We're going to draw in a sideways oval for the nose. For the mouth, moving underneath, we're going to curve this line down and up on the left. And then we're going to move this down and up on the right. Now let's draw in the mouth. So we're going to draw in a nice big arch line from left to right. Let's move up and draw in the hat now. So we're going to, from the center here, curve this line up, around, and down, connecting that together. Let's draw on the rest of the hat now. So on the right hand side, we're going to curve this line up and through towards the side. And then we're going to close this off on the top, creating a nice big dome shape, curving that down in the corner. Let's come across. We're going to draw in the left arm now. So we're going to move over, curving this up, around, and back in. And then we're going to come across, drawing in the right arm, curving this down, around, and then back through. Now we can join the body and the DJ booth together. So we're going to come over on the left hand side for the headphone, and we're going to curve this line around, creating a nice big oval, connecting that from the side to the top. And then we're going to move across on the right hand side, just drawing in a nice big oval, and we have more space here so we can complete this. Let's connect the headphone strap together now. So we're going to curve two lines that come in towards the hat. And then we're going to do the same thing on the right hand side as well. Let's add in some details in the headphones now. So on the top, we're going to curve this around and through. We're going to do the same on the right. Let's move in towards the side again, curving this around and through. And then again, as we move over, we're just going to draw in our final curved line, bringing that through towards the side. Now let's draw in the ears. So we're going to come over on the left-hand side, curving this out, around, and in towards the arm. On the right-hand side, now we're going to close off the side of the body, curving this down. We're going to move over on the left-hand side underneath our left arm, replicating that, and we're just going to end that at roughly the same height. Let's draw on the right ear now. So on the top here, we're going to bring this line out, through, and then back in towards the side of the body. And now let's draw in the DJ booth. So we're going to start just past the side of the body here, and we're going to draw in a straight line as best as we can, bringing that over towards our arm. And if we need to, we can use a ruler for this as well. And then we're going to move behind, extending that line through. Now from both sides on the top corner, let's draw a diagonal line coming out on the left and right hand side. And then again from corner to corner, we're just going to close this off with a straight line. And if it makes it easier, we can take a break in the middle here. Start back on our line, blending that back in, and completing that as we bring that all the way over towards the right. Now let's taper this in slightly. So we're going to draw in another diagonal line coming down towards the bottom. And then we're going to do the same thing on the right hand side. And we're just going to end that at the same height. Again, let's close this off with another straight line from left to right. Now let's move up from the center, coming over on the left and right hand side. We're going to draw in a straight line, leaving a rectangle shape in the middle. We're going to draw in two squares on the left side here for the buttons, dropping down, replicating that. Now let's move across in the middle, drawing in another square. And then we're going to move up on a diagonal on the right and replicating that. In the middle, let's draw in a straight line coming up. Moving across, we're going to bring the straight line down. Now let's draw in the turntable. So to the left of this, we're going to draw in a sideways oval. On the top, we're going to draw in a diagonal line coming out. We're going to do the same thing on the bottom, ending that at the same height. And then now from here, we're going to curve this line around and back in towards the bottom. And then now on the top, we're just going to create another sideways oval. Now we're going to come up and we're going to draw in a nice big sideways oval, curving this around, connecting that through on the bottom. We're basically just going to do the same thing on the right hand side here. So we're going to leave quite a big gap and we're going to draw a diagonal line coming across. We're going to draw in a sideways oval, connecting that together. Now from here on the bottom, let's bring another diagonal line out. And then from that corner, we're going to curve this around and through towards the arm. Now let's create the sideways oval again. So we're going to curve this down towards the top. And then moving behind, arching this around, bringing this underneath, and all the way through towards the side. Now we're going to draw in the speakers as we come down. So we're going to, from the center, flip over on the left-hand side, draw in a nice big circle. We're going to leave quite a big gap moving over on the right-hand side and just replicating that. Now in the center, let's draw in another circle. And then we'll do the same on the right-hand side. And then lastly, let's move down. We're going to draw in our bigger speakers. So just leaving a tiny gap here, we're going to draw in another circle directly underneath. We're going to do the same on the right. Now let's move in towards the center again, leaving a small gap. I'm just going to draw in another circle, replicating that. And then directly in the middle, let's draw in our last circle for the DJ booth. And that is it. That's how you draw DJ Pompompurin from Sanrio. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thank you so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.